Subtitles aren't just for the hearing impaired. They help you to understand new languages as well as decipher difficult to follow dialogue. If you're watching a movie on DVD or Blu-ray, you might have a subtitle track included, but usually only in 1 or 2 languages, if at all. Thankfully, there are several websites available online where you can download subtitle tracks for movies, both popular and obscure. This lets you experience movies in an entirely different language to your own. OpenSubtitles. With one of the biggest collections of movie subtitles on the internet, over 5 million according to the site itself, OpenSubtitles is probably the first site you want to try if you're looking to download subtitles. The site is a truly international affair, with over 50 different language options to choose from, allowing you to search the site in anything from Aragonese to Vietnamese. Each upload comes with a movie name, upload date, comments, and an overall rating for the quality of the subtitles provided. Using the prominent search bar at the top, you can look for subtitles that have been uploaded by other users. An advanced search bar lets you search by age, rating, format, and more. The site doesn't just include movie subtitles, however. You can also download subtitles for TV series, as well as participate in the community forum, where users offer support and tips for finding the best subtitles. Addicted. As you can probably guess from the name, Addicted, meaning Addicted, aims to be the one-stop shop providing subtitles to movie addicts. Like OpenSubtitles, it's one of the subtitle sites that offer downloads for both movies and TV shows. You'll need to sign up for an Addicted account to be able to download subtitles. Once you're signed in, you can search for movies using a search bar or scroll through a drop-down menu. New releases are prominently displayed in an RSS feed at the top of the page. The site also offers a schedule, showing the next release of your favorite TV show to help you stay organized, with relevant links to subtitles provided. It also offers a FAQ and support forums to ask questions, along with tutorial pages to explain how to use subtitles with common programs. Like OpenSubtitles, Addicted is available in multiple languages, from Arabic to Swedish. Podnapisi. While Podnapisi might sound like it serves the international market, this English language site for movie subtitles is one of the cleanest and simplest to use. The site boasts over 2 million subtitles for download, with over 58,000 movies and over 6,000 TV series available. Podnapisi is separated into clear sections, with the main page showing a short list of the latest uploaded subtitles, as well as sections showing the recently best rated, most downloaded, and most competent on uploads. Like other major subtitle sites, Podnapisi allows you to search using an advanced search tool, with options for keywords, years, language, and more. If you're struggling, an active support forum allows you to ask questions and discuss the latest releases. A community effort to translate the site is currently underway, with other languages from Afrikaans to Xhosa available. YIFY Subtitles. Named after the well-known piracy group and with their releases in mind, YIFY Subtitles is another simple-to-use site to download subtitles. Unlike some of the other major sites, YIFY Subtitles only offers movie subtitles for download. Don't let the link to the piracy group put you off. YIFY Subtitles are safe and piracy-free, offering downloads in multiple languages. The front page offers a list of popular and recently released movies, along with categories separating movies by each language. If you want to look for a specific movie, the search bar should help, with an auto-suggestion tool that lets you find a specific release as you type. A page dedicated to each movie offers information on the movie, including length, release date, and rating, with available subtitles listed below. The site itself is free to use, with no registration required. The site handles available subtitles. You are unable to upload any of your own. Subscene. Subscene has been around since about 2005, offering subtitles in various languages, including those specially designed for the hearing impaired. The interface is simple, with a prominent search bar at the top, and popular movies and forum posts listed on the front page. It offers regular updates from users, with a sign-up page allowing you to submit your own subtitles. Both movie and TV subtitles are available, as well as subtitles for popular music videos. If you're struggling with the site, you can post on the community forum. This has hundreds of discussions, with posts in various languages offering discussions and tutorials. Each movie has an individual entry page that lists information on the movie itself, like the year of release, with a list of subtitles organized by user-generated ratings and comments shown underneath. Did you know that OTT's own videos have handcrafted English language subtitles? Check them out if you ever find yourself in need of them. We hope you find the subtitles you're looking for on one of these great sites. See you next time, guys.